So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. They are just sitting here and they're just going to start a debate. Debate is going to very wonderful debate now. So, they are just favor on joint family and they are just favor on separate family. So, today's the wonderful debate is going to about joint family versus separate family. So, which family is better? You will know today very well what is about which is better, like that joint family is better and separate family is better. You will know about ideas about this family is really is good, so you will know about today very well. So there's just everyone joint family, right? So would you like to speak first? So you will start from your name, then you have to speak on the topic. So start from you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Vipul Kumar, and I am with my team. We are favor on joint family.
Loud.
So according to me, joint family is better than separate family. You know that, like in the world, if we have been given a birth by God, and we have the duty to work with our family for our family. And if we are doing job, it is good for us. But if we are not spending the time with our family, so it is not good for us. So we have to, and it's our duty to work with our family, and it's our duty to do better for our family. And if we are not with them, if we are living as a separate, so it is very bad for us. And it shows our cheap mentality. It shows that we don't have senses and we don't have the selfness. According to me, joint family is good.
Very good, very good. Okay, so what would you like to say? Okay, good morning, all of you. Bella and Salman. Now my team is favor of nuclear family and separate family. So as you told that we are joint family is better than a nuclear family and separate family. If you are looking the separate family, so you can see nowadays most of the are surviving in a separate families. And what is the meaning of separate family? You and your your wife and your children are there in your family, and if you are having that type of persons, so you can take care of them very easily and properly to them. You can give them proper educations, you can give them whatever they would need. Because if you are, you can take example such as you are in a joint family and you are earning 10, 20 thousands, and if you are looking at the present time, 20 thousands is nothing in a joint family, because you have to look at your wife, you have to look at your children, you have to look at your like a brother, sisters, all the things you have to manage that you cannot manage in a 20 thousands and 10 thousands. So that's why if we are in a separate family, so we are able to handle it very easily, and we can also take care of our parents, because we have less expenses, and after that, after finishing our expense, we can also look at our parents. So separate families mean not is not mean that we are living alone and we are not looking after our parents. We are also care. We can also care our parents in a separate family. Okay, good. Good afternoon. So what would you like to say something about that? The joint family.
Good morning, all of you. Well, my name is Geeta, and I am favor of joint family. I want to cut your point, sir. You said that in a separate family, children will take care very well, but in a joint family, you don't. You are in a joint family, children can grow easily, because if you both are a working person, like you and your partner also both are working, so who will brought up your child, and who will bring up your child. And in a joint family, your burden are only not on you, your burdens are totally divided in someone, and you are saying that you have to look your parents, and we can know about our burdens easily, and we can divide burdens easily. So according to me, joint family is better than separate family.
Good. So would you like to cut her point? So simply you are saying that if we are in a joint family, so our duties are divided into like a different parts. If you are like there are 10 members, so all are having different type of duties, and they have to they can fulfill their duties. And why the mostly cases of fightings are coming from the joint families? Can you give me the answers of it? Yes. Why the mostly cases of the fightings?
Repeat question.
Why the mostly cases of fighting and domestic violence are coming from the joint families, not from the separate families? Why?
So I would like to express that, like in the world, joint family we need only the fight related to the money, related to our mind. If they don't have the money and they are arguing with their parents, they are arguing with their wives and brothers and sisters for money only. There is only one reason of the money. And you know about the joint family. If you are like you know about the future of the world. Like if I tell about the future of the India, you may see that like all the bad men and all the gangsters are becoming from the separate family because you know what is the main reason. I know that the main reason is that mom and father are working and the child is alone at his home. So what will he think, what will he try to do? No one is with him and he is trying to join a bad company, and in this way he is trying to be bad because he needs money. And you know about the inner field of joint family, grandfather and grandmother are taking care of the child and they are trying to make him successful in his life. So according to me, joint family is better than separate family.
Okay, so simply you wanna say that in a joint family we have like so many members by which our children are growing very easily and they are learning too much things. Simply you can see the in our joint families, all peoples are not having a good mentalities. Some are having a cheap mentalities. They are like they torture their wives, their sons. That all things they are doing. They are abusing their sons and daughters and wives. They are doing that all. And what we see in our childhood, that we learn from our elders.
So, sir,
If you are talking about the bad companies, it doesn't matter you are living separate and with joint family. If you are going outside, if you are making wrong friends, so simply you will go to wrong track. So you can't blame the families in that. And about the money, so most of the cases happen in a joint family because if you have like the net worth of you is like a 1 crore and you have 5 sons, all will think that I should get more compared to who is elder than me and who is younger than me. All are thinking that I need more compared to all. So that's why they are like a fighting, feeling jealousy. That's why the all the things are going wrong in the joint families. But in a separate family, if you are having 1 crore net worth, so no one will say you any type of things. Whatever you want to do with your money, you can do. Wherever you want to invest your money, you can invest. So this type of things happen in a separate families.
Very good, Parmod. Yes, so Usman, tell your
Good
name.
morning, everyone. My name is Osman. I want to cut your some points. Sir also said that I separate family network 1 crores and joint family share divided into four types, 4 parts and
4 parts, okay.
4 parts. So if I have a joint family, so I have a earning 5 and 4 persons. So I have a I can
We can
we can deposit one lakhs to 1 month in 5 lakhs in a
Okay.
per month per one person's one in separate family 1 person earn 1 lakh. So 1 month only 1 lakhs is deposit. So that unity is strength.
Okay, good. So what do you want to say about the joint family?
So my name is Mansingh. So topic of my team is joint family. According to me, joint family is better separate family because everyone will care of you because if you are separate and you if you are living in a village that, and after few time you are going to if you are going to city for earning money. Because I have seen many people background background people's background is poor, and for earning for earning better they go to they go to city, they go to city for earning better, and fulfill and for complete their complete their desire, and desire. So
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, simply I want to ask you a question. What is the meaning of joint family? Just tell me what is joint family.
joint family means example, if you are joint family, there are all person in your family in your all member
Can
in
you
your
tell me
family.
who are in our joint family?
Example
Members.
example example fathers, moms, and brothers,
brothers, sisters,
sister-in-law, sister-in-law, and
your brother
and,
and their wives.
Grandfather and
yeah,
So it's mean
grandmother,
like a
Joint
joint family.
yeah,
Simply, like your father. Just imagine, your father have four brothers.
Yeah.
And all the brothers are surviving with their families. So it is called joint family because they have their wives, their sons, their daughters, their sister-in-law. So it is called joint family.
No, sir. If my father have a four, if my father have a four brother, then my brother of my father will think about earning because he will not give he will not give a problem there his brothers.
Simply you are saying that like you if your father has four brothers, they think that my brothers should not be in travel.
Yeah.
I should do for them. So are you talking about the reality of world? If you are looking at the present times, all are thinking first about themselves. They think that in a futures I will have a family. How can I give them a good futures? First they think that, not about your brothers and about your sisters. First they think about their futures. After that they are thinking about you. So first we are thinking about me, like simply I'm thinking about me. It means I'm just thinking about for my family. Like in upcoming time I will be have a responsibility towards my family because I will have a kids to I will have to give them a proper educations. For it I will have to think now. Then I can give them. Without thinking I cannot give them. So first we have to think about ourselves, not only for our brothers.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, so what do you want to say? Something about.
So I want to say, sir, you are saying that if you are living in a joint family, so you will think about yourself. But in a joint family, like suppose you want to purchase a house in a city area, so who will behind of you? Only you are earning. You have to take loan from somewhere. You have to give your assets to someone. Then you can purchase something. No one will support you. Sometimes it's not happen in a separate family because if you are living in a nuclear family, everyone no one will support you, like only you are earning, and every problem have to tolerate you. Or in a joint family, if you are want to
Everyone will
purchase
support you,
something,
yes.
and if you want to buy something, then you can buy easily. And about the children in a joint family, they can connect easily to society. But in a separate family, if a child want to connect to someone, he can't connect to everyone because
Why he cannot connect?
Because
In
I
a
am
separate family we are not living in forest. We are also living in society.
but he is living only he is only living
But they
with
are in
two
a
persons.
society. They are neighbors.
Yes,
There are many neighbors.
I
They
agree
can
with you,
connect
sir.
them very easily.
Yes, but sometimes like if both are person you are working, then who will give you that? Who will give him that type of education for connect someone? But in a joint family, grandfather and everyone have every type of knowledge. They can give them knowledge.
Good, very good. Simply you are saying that in a joint family we get lots of knowledge. I have given you example before is that we are also learning the many bad things from our joint families. Simply if our uncles and like our brother that are things, if they are abusing and our kids are watching them every day, they will learn easily that out things because bad things we captures very easily compared to the right things. And if you are talking about the manners, so simply it doesn't matter that we are separate and both are working. Sometimes the man is working, the like wife is at home. She can be like she can be work from home. She can like teach the servants. She can do many type of things from at home. So you can't say that all are going to jobs and you can't give them proper manners. And about the societies, if you are living in a separate family, so it means you are also surviving in a society because we are not going far from societies. Because whenever we are living in a joint and separate, we are in a like a society, and first we have to check the society because nowadays the mostly societies are bad because their people are having a cheap mentalities everywhere. 80 to 70% people are having cheap mentalities. They are smoking in the societies. They are abusing. They are fighting. That all things happen in a society. If you are living that type of society with your joint family, so our children will learn bad things from it as well, and you are living separate, they will also learn bad things. So first we have to check the society, how what type of society are we living. If we are living in a good society, so our children will learn good manners.
I want to say that like in the world of speaking and in the world of living, you know that like about the domination. If you want to create the domination, firstly I want to use of the domination. If you have the domination in your area, so we can that no one would like to touch you. Means
Okay.
no one would like to touch, means no one would like to trouble you. In the world, if you are going somewhere at the night, if you are going somewhere, so someone can kill you easily because it is a modern time and someone can snatch money from you and someone can also tease your performance. So firstly, if you have the domination and if you want to create the domination in your area, so you need the supporters. And if you really want the supporters, so firstly you need money. But in the world of living, we know that everyone is not capable for earning a lot. But if you but the second way of the creating the domination in our area is that joint family. You know about the unity. Unity is strength. If you have the unity, so we can go everywhere. You know that like we can go anywhere and imagine that like if you are going to Mumbai and if you are going to with your wife and with your two kids and you are going to home and someone is trying to do bad in your family, so what will you do? No one is supporting you because that you are new there. But if you are going to with your whole joint family, so become that if you are at the work, so someone, so your grandfather, your grandmother,
Any
and your
member is
brothers,
available.
anyone, all will try to help. And you know about the like if I tell about the arrest, like if you have been arrested by police and if the police are asking to you, call your family member, and if the family members are totally 20 and 25, so policeman will try to scare from you. You know that like in the world of living, if we have the domination, if the supporters are a lot, so we can that it doesn't matter what type of money and in which caste are you, it matters how many people are there behind you. So firstly, according to me, if we want to create the domination, and you know that like in the if we have the domination, so we can live free. Like we don't want to be a dictator, but we want to save ourselves from the dictator. So according to me, joint family is better than separate family.
So you are talking about a domination.
Yeah.
Like you are talking about like how many people are standing behind you.
Yeah.
It's your domination towards the society. Simply, you can see we are not dominating the society. We are dominating our family members. It is a reality of today world. People are thinking that how can I dominate my brother? He's earning more than me. How can I dominate my sister? That how people are thinking nowadays. And you are talking about the supporting. It doesn't matter that you are living far from your family. Means you are living with your like a personal family. It's your wife and your kids, and your parents will not support you. They will always with you whenever you need help, and police will.
But on the
and,
sport,
and
listen,
you
on the
talk.
sport, you need the people. On the sport, you need the supporters. And if you are making someone a call and he is coming a late, so what will about you? So,
And
sir,
police
you know,
will arrest you at your home and in somewhere else.
I'm trying to say that like
you have to make call.
you can like about the you can see in any area like a person who has the domination in his area, he is living in a joint family. You can
how
see
can,
anywhere.
how can we dominate the society? That first we have
I'm not.
first we have to become as much as capable to dominate the people.
Yeah,
First,
but
first we have to
become
win.
a capable.
First,
I know that.
first
Like
we have
sir,
to win the heart of the peoples. For it, you need to be something in your life. Because
oh,
if you are,
sir, I'm
if you are
trying to
nothing,
say that like no,
if you are nothing,
anyone
no one
is
will be
listen, sir,
dominated by you.
anyone is not able to be successful in his life. I'm trying to say about we have to save ourselves from dictator. We don't want to be a dictator. You are saying that like if we have the domination, so we can kill anyone. It is
I'm
wrong.
not saying that. I did
You-
mention
yeah,
to kill anyone.
You didn't mention but you said that it.
I said that for
Yeah,
a domination,
in the indirectly way.
we have to
So-
become something in life. Like
So-
if you are a successful person,
So
all the
that's the
society
reason I
members
said
will
that,
be
like-
with you. You don't need to call anyone; they will come automatically towards you.
I know that, like, but you know about the simple life. Like if you are living in a simple life, so firstly you need the supporters. You know about the school life. In the life of the school, children, students are being teased by the students. And what about them? Teachers are not helping them. Teachers are only trying to slap them. And outside the area, what will happen? If you are alone, and I can imagine that if your child is being beaten outside the school, and if your brother is not coming and you are only coming, and
Okay, why
So,
why
what will
parents are beating like a different students because they are not having as much good group circle.
so
Because they are not having the group circles, you can't talk about the family. Because family cannot save you outside as well.
cannot save, but you know about the reality of the world. Like if I'm seeing the opposite of my person, he has a lot of big joint family and the supporters, he has a lot, so I will not try to fight with him. It doesn't matter, like you know about the selfness. If you have your own people, so they will sure support you. Like it doesn't matter, they don't support you, and the other people will think that he has a lot of domination. Okay, and if you are calling someone, if you are calling your friends, they will not support you to the another area. They will support, as you know that, like if you want to call someone, so first of all you will have to go somewhere on his call.
Simply you are saying that for our own people, we should have for the domination
Yeah.
in this society. If you are talking about the reality, you spoke many times the reality of world, reality of world. So what is the reality of world? Reality of world is that no one is with you. You are alone. You came alone and you will go alone. You will have to know yourselves and you will have to make your strength. You don't need to like depend on anyone's. Whenever you are depend to someone's, you are not able to do anything in your life. Because when we are
Listen, I
alone,
want to clear the
just listen me. When you are alone, and then you will know the real responsibility to yourself. Because whenever you are with your joint family, you need 10,000. Your elder brother, he will give you. You need like another time 5k. He, like another brother will give you. You will never know the responsibility because all the things you are getting easily from your family. But when you will go like a separate family, then you will know the what is our life and how to survive a life and how to take the responsibilities. You will learn in your alone life. You can't learn with the supporters and with the dominations. You will have to go alone and you will have to know yourself.
You are saying that like we can learn anything and we can learn anything in the field of in the family of separate life. So you are saying wrong. We can learn
I'm
in
saying-
joint. Listen, we can learn in a joint as well as separate family. It doesn't matter.
I
in which
gave
family
you
we are.
examples what happened in a joint family. I gave you example.
So
It is a reality.
Listen, sir. You are saying that if you are going to job and your wife is working from home, so it is right. So tell me the women who are working from home in the world. All the women, according to me, like if there are 100% women in the world, so 50 and 90% women, if they are working, so they are going to office. So what about the child of them?
So you mean that when they are having a small kids, they are leaving their kids and they are going to office.
They are do you know about this? A kid is forever until he dies. You know that, like if your kid, your a kid of his parents can never be elder than their parents. A kid is always kid for their parents. You know that. I'm not saying about the five at the
I'm
five.
I'm talking
Yeah,
about when the kids need. What is the age of that?
like
How when like since
Before
when
18 age, before
like
18 age,
when
they
we
need-
can send
Until
when
they try
we
to
can
work,
send
sir.
them for a
Until-
like academic.
yeah, until they try to earn, until they try to work, and until they try to stand on their
It doesn't matter that they are 35, 50. It's not matter.
it doesn't matter.
There's a
Like,
age limit.
I know
Okay. Just
that, like,
I'm giving you an example. You are living in a joint family.
yeah,
If you will go above like more than 20 and don't try to earn single rupee, then you will know the reality of your life. Everyone will taunt you. Why are you sitting home? Why are you visiting here to there? Parents will also taunt you. They will say you many things. Why are you being a nil letter of things? They will say you. After that, what will you do? You say, I'm your kid, you should serve me all the life.
I'm not trying to say that like I'm trying to like
saying that
before 18 years until he tries to work. Parent, you know about the duty of the parents, like in the school time, parents are going to home, and in the like if there are 100% parents and 50 and 90% parents are not checking the notebooks of their children, of their children. They are not seeing that but their children have been taught in the school, because they are tired because of the work. and
because
and in
no,
this
it's
way they are totally
it's
running for
happen.
money, and they are unable
It's
to
happen.
focus on their children.
It's happen when they are not having like enough money to survive their life. Because
So we can
when
say that in the separate family, why did you become separate? For earning money, you became separate. You had left your parents. Like your parents did everything for you, and you are trying to say that you may call me and I will send you a lot of money. It is right. It is wrong. Like if your parents had done something in your
what
life,
what's meaning separate? We can also be separate at same home.
yeah, he
We can be separate in a same home. We can be
yeah,
separate.
he can be separate, but on the highly movement, like if there is a lot of dangerous movements are happening in our home, like if someone is trying to destroy a home, so we can be available on the spot. You know that we can be available on the spot. You may see in the villages, like villagers are always living in joint family, but a person and a son or daughter is trying to go somewhere, and they are thinking that they will earn a lot, and they are also saying to their parents, I will bring a lot of money for you, and but they are not coming. They are only sending the money, and they are forgetting their parents.
So I'm not talking about that about separations. I'm talking about we can be separate at same home. Our family will be
I
with
know
us,
that like
but
they can be separate
our
at
life
home.
our lifestyle will be different.
Sir, but I'm trying to say that like we can be available on the spot. If someone is trying to destroy our home, so we can be available on the spot. And if you are living alone, like if you are living in Delhi and your parents are living somewhere, and your joint family is living somewhere, and you are separating, so you will have to call, they will come, and in this way you will destroy.
Simply you're talking about like we are in a joint family and someone is destroying our home. So we will be present at the same moment.
At the same
It
moment,
can't be happen because
it can be happen.
because you are working persons. For it, people will have to make you call. Then you will have to come in a 10 to 20 minutes. All the bill or
Yeah.
anyone can anyone can kill you
Listen.
within 2 minutes.
I know that anyone can kill me within 2 minutes, but they will try to save me. And
How can you save your own job? How can you save your family?
but they will
by
try.
calling, by calling.
I'm not trying to by calling but they will be with me. And if you are living alone in Delhi, and you will have to,
How will be they with you when you are on working? and
all are
some-
not working. Listen, if there are 5 brothers in your home, all are working. If there are 5 sisters in your home, all are working. Your grandmother
it
is
means
working.
five,
Your grandfather is working.
five sisters will be always
Working.
with you.
They will,
5 brothers will be always with
so,
you.
so you said that like na, I'm not trying about the sister.
If the 5 brothers, just take
you
example.
said that
Just take examples.
we can be separate at our home.
In
You
a
said that
5 brothers, if two are youngest, like they are 10 to 15, they can't save you. They are able
Yeah,
to do
they-
things.
I'm not trying to say that like they can save me, but they can be with me. They can support
What
me.
is the benefit? What is the benefit of with you? When
There
they
is no
don't
any benefit
when
of
they
me.
when,
Like if you are
when
in a
they
trouble,
cannot
listen,
save you, then
you
they
are-
cannot save you. What is the benefit of it?
but they will try to do hard work to save me.
Whatever hard work are they doing? They don't have a proper sense,
So, sir,
and they are with you. They can save you. They will also go in a danger.
So they will also go in
To
a
save
danger.
you, they will go in a
And I-
danger. Their
and-
life will be in danger because of you.
And I can say that like they were with me. They didn't make any cause, and they didn't
Yeah,
make
for-
any excuse.
Okay,
Hello.
good. So now in the end of the moments, I would like to know to the all of one just points. What's your opinion regarding to the joint family? Who would like to speak in English? They can speak in English. Who would like to speak in Hindi as well? They can speak few lines about in Hindi as well. but they have to speak the few lines about joint family. You will speak about something separate family. If you would like to speak in Hindi, so you can also speak some lines in Hindi as well. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are unable to speak in English, so you can't speak in English. Say in Hindi few lines. What is your opinion regarding to separate family, and what's your regarding to joint family? So first, जो भी हैं आपको अपने पॉइंट्स को एक्सप्रेस करना है कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग जॉइंट फैमिली क्यों बेटर है और आपके अकॉर्डिंग सेपरेट फैमिली क्यों बेटर है। तो आपको अपने पॉइंट्स को यहाँ पर रखना है। फर्स्ट, जॉइंट फैमिली यूजर्स से अगर आप इनके पॉइंट को भी एक दूसरे से कट करना चाहते हो, जैसे कुछ भी लाइंस, तो आप वो भी कट कर सकते हो, चाहे वो हिंदी में बोल के चाहे इंग्लिश में बोल के। राइट, गॉट इट। सो फर्स्ट यू स्पीक एंड यू हैव टू पास द माइक एज वेल टू दैम।
Okay, so according to me, joint family is better than separate family because you need support, you need safety, and you have to bring your child properly. But it's totally happen in a joint family. We can't grow up a child properly in a joint family, and children are future of your. And sometime like we can see that everyone is going in a bad way now. Time no one want to live with their parents. Why? Because they want to live in a separate family. They don't want to live in a live with parents. They want to live alone, and they sometimes we need support, we need safety. Who will support you? Your family will support you. If you want to friend support, so firstly you have to stood with them, then you have to stand with them, then you can get support from there. But in a family everyone will support you, and like if someone want to kill you in your home, in a separate in a home and in everywhere, so who will support you? You can call your friends, everyone will be there. Your family, only your family will be there. And in a joint family they are living a affordable life. They don't have to take loan somewhere, and everyone will help you. And in a joint family, but in a separate family, if suppose a person newly coming in your home, then how will you give them knowledge about your home? Your joint family, your grandfather, your mother, and your brother sister will give them about the knowledge of the home. How will you have to survive in your home? That's it.
Yes, what do you want to say?
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammed Usman. We are living in the India, and India is a country of villages. So we are living in India, and I want to हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ।
Yeah,
तो हम लोग इंडिया में रहते हैं, और हम लोगों को क्या है कि ना, हम लोगों का देश जो है गांव का देश है, और हम लोगों के यहाँ ज़्यादातर 80% लोग रहते हैं वो ज्वाइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं। और ज्वाइंट फैमिली में रहने का एक बेनिफिट ये भी है कि हम लोगों का सब एकता जो होता है, सभी एक जगह रहते हैं, और एक जगह रहने में एकता में बल है। और कोई भी काम होती है, कोई भी चीज़ ना, या अगर कोई भी घटना होती है, तो हमारे भाई बहन बाप माँ जो होते हैं वो खड़े होते हैं। और सेपरेट फैमिली में क्या है कि सेपरेट फैमिली अगर आपको कुछ हो गया तो आप सिंगल रह जाएंगे, और आपको ख्याल करने वाला कोई नहीं रह पाते। और हमारे चाइल्ड जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं और एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं। सेपरेट फैमिली में क्या है कि सेपरेट फैमिली में वो अपने भाई से एक चिल्ड्रेन, एक बच्चे और 2 बच्चे होते हैं, पर ज्वाइंट फैमिली में करीबन 8-10 बच्चे होते हैं। वो एक दूसरे के साथ सीखते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ खाते पीते और खेलते हैं। या एक अच्छा
yes, what do you want to say?
So, according to me, joint family is better than separate family. If you are living in village, and sir, my partner said that if unity is strength. I'm giving you a simple example. If doctors operation, then without group they cannot operation. If any doctor will do operation in simple in alone, then patient will die. But sir that said if you are joint family, if then and your uncle, your father, and member of your family abuse you, then effect of your family will come on you.
Okay, good.
But
Let's just learn. So say the few lines, the last minutes. Say in
सो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ जैसे कि अगर एक डॉगी होता है उसे भी हम कुछ बिस्किट दे देते हैं तो वो भी हमारे लिए कुछ करता है। अब हमारे माँ बाप हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमारे लिए इतना कुछ किया और हम उन्हें ये कह के छोड़ दे रहे हैं कि दुनिया बिगड़ रही है। अगर किसी इंसान को खुद पे कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है, अगर वो खुद ही छोड़ रहा है तो वो दुनिया को क्या दोष देगा। और जो कहते हैं सपोर्टर कुछ नहीं होते, कि वो सपोर्टर आपको मरने से नहीं बचा सकता, तो रात के 1 बजे के बाद अकेले निकल के देखो, डर लगेगा, या फिर 1-2 लोगों के साथ जाओ तो डर लगेगा। 1-2 लोग तुम्हें बचा नहीं सकते लेकिन कुछ तो फीलिंग देंगे। हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम शुभम है। मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि जॉइंट फैमिली इज़ बेटर है, क्योंकि जॉइंट फैमिली में जितने भी जन होते हैं सब में प्यार, मोहब्बत, खुशी होती है, और दुखीपन भी होता है तो उसे हट भी जाता है वो जल्दी। लेकिन हाँ, एक दूसरे से दुख बांट भी लेते हैं। पर लेकिन जो अकेलेपन सेपरेट फैमिली में होता है उसे ज़्यादातर मेंटली प्रॉब्लम भी होने लगती है, कि उसे लगता है कि वो समझता है कि उसे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता, ना कोई उसे प्यार करता है। इसलिए सबसे ज़्यादा मैं कहूँगा तो बेटर है जॉइंट फैमिली।
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अनु सिंह कटैर। तो मेरे अनुसार जॉइंट फैमिली इज़ वेरी गुड, क्योंकि जॉइंट फैमिली में जो हमारे घर वाले होते हैं, अगर कोई हमारी बात नहीं मानता है तो जो हमारे भाई बहन होते हैं वो हमको ऑलवेज सपोर्ट करते हैं हमारी बातों को, कि अच्छा है, ये बुरा है। जॉइंट फैमिली में या कभी आपकी बाहर कोई लड़ाई हो जाती है तो हमारे भाई बहन हमको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आते हैं।
Yeah, so you expressed your views about the joint family. That was great. So now turn off the separate family. They want to say, you have to just say also few lines about the separate family. Why separate family is better than joint family? Just tell few lines about separate family.
So, while I am Sayita, my team is favor of separate family. So, according to me, separate family is better than joint family. क्योंकि अगर हम जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं तो उसमें लड़ाई वगैरह होती है हमारी रिश्तेदार।
Okay, say open. No
और
say.
जॉइंट फैमिली बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं होती है, और
आप
उससे
ऐसे झगड़ते जाता है. Okay.
और उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी सेपरेट फैमिली होती है, क्योंकि सेपरेट फैमिली में हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, बट जॉइंट फैमिली में इतना नहीं कर पाते जितना कि हम।
बच्चे ज़्यादा, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So you say some like.
My name is Emily Fazan.
Why separate? Separate in Hindi as well, if you are able to speak in Hindi.
सेपरेट फैमिली इसलिए अच्छी है जॉइंट फैमिली से क्योंकि सब मिलजुल के रहते हैं, बातचीत करते हैं सब। जो भी
सेपरेट फैमिली में सब मिलजुल के कैसे मिलजुल के तो हम सिर्फ रह सकते हैं, वो सिर्फ जॉइंट फैमिली रह सकते हैं ना। सेपरेट में तो हम सेपरेट है, अलग है अपने परिवार से। हम हैं, एक वाइफ है, बच्चे हैं, दीज आर द सेपरेट फैमिली। ओके, यस, से द लास्ट फ्यू लाइन्स।
Okay, as they told them many things about the joint family, so simply he gave an example of a doctor, like without the supporting of the nurse and the staff mates, and doctor cannot treat a patient. But for getting a like that of support from the staffs, he did single hard work. Like he did alone hard work, then he got the support. As like you can take example of the joint family. For if you want to get a support from your joint family, first you have to be something in your life, because if you are not doing something in your life, so your family, only your parents will be with you, no one will be with you. It doesn't matter they are sister and they are brother, they will always dominate to you, that you are not earning any type of things, you are wasting your time, you are visiting with your friends, only you are doing that type of things. They will say you many things, and they will not support you from any type of things. They will not support you financially, and they will not support you in any type of fight. That type of things happens. And for it, if we want to get the support in the joint families, first we have to do something, and we have to show that I'm capable to get support of you, then they will come to you. So it's happened in a joint families. But in a joint, if I'm talking about the separate family, in a separate family, we have a full chance to do every type of things whatever we want to get, because in a joint families we are many members, we have a responsibility to our parents, that and like parents responsibility is like a first responsibility. I'm not saying that we should not care of our parents, and after that we have a responsibility to our sister, like our brothers, sons with their daughters, that our things we have to look at them. That's why we are not able to focus on our families. We are doing everything for them, and in our last they will say that you did nothing for me. In the last of the time when they will fight with you, they will say you that you did nothing. What did you do for us? We are doing all the things for us. You are doing nothing for me. So that's happen in a joint families. So that's why the separate family is better than a joint.
गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज़ फरदीन। जो जॉइंट फैमिली होती है उसमें ये होता है कि जैसे कोई किसी का चाचा का बेटा वो डॉक्टर बन रहा है, तो जैसे हमें हमारा फोटोग्राफर बनने का बना, तो हमारी मम्मी कहे कि आप भी डॉक्टर बनो, क्योंकि हमारा वो डॉक्टर बन रहा है, उसका लड़का है। तो ये भी होता है कि जो हमारा सपना होता है वो पूरा नहीं हो पाता। और दूसरा ये है कि हमें कोई नाइट जॉब कर रही है, जॉब करके लड़की को नाइट जॉब करनी है, तो वो उसके पापा एक बार में मंजूरी दे दे, पर उस चाचा कोई वो कहते रहता है कि तुम अपनी बेटी को ये क्यों करवा रही हो, इसकी शादी वादी करवा दो। दैट्स इट।
गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ निखिल। सेपरेट फैमिली, जो सेपरेट फैमिली है उसमें हम अपनी मर्जी से रह सकते हैं, कोई हमें बोलने वाला नहीं है।
Good morning, all of you. My name is Irfan. I am in favor of separate family. Separate family में ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च नहीं होता और joint family में बहुत पैसा खर्च होता है.
That was a debate of separate family versus joint family. According to them, yeah, joint family is better. According to them, separate family is better. So इनके दोनों के ओपिनियन थे, ये विचार थे कि क्या बेटर है, और ये गाइस आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के देना है कि आपको क्या लगता है, आपके लिए जॉइंट फैमिली बेटर है या फिर सेपरेट फैमिली बेटर है, आपको बताना है। और आपको क्या लगता है कि हमें अपनी लाइफ में सेपरेट फैमिली ज़्यादा बेटर रहनी चाहिए या फिर जॉइंट फैमिली ज़्यादा बेटर रहनी चाहिए, आप अपने कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के अपने जो भी विचार हैं आप उसमें एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, बता सकते हो। गाइज अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल।